Today we're going to be talking about the concept in UX design called Occam's razor by making balloon swords. So let's just get started. Sword number 1. Check it out, what a nice sword this is. Time for sword number 2. Finally! This is sword number 2. This is sword number 1. The thing that is common with the both of these swords is these are Veera's swords. But today we're going to talk about Occam's razor, which states that among competing hypotheses that work equally well, the one with the fewest assumptions should be selected. So now if I had to go to battle among the two of these, Occam's razor would tell me that I need to choose the one which has me make the fewest assumptions to predict the most. Now if both of these ultimately function as swords and I had to make one, this one requires more assumptions. For example, it requires the assumption that this handle, which is quite complicated to make, comes together on its own. It requires the first pink blade to work, and if that doesn't work, then it requires two different blade parts to make sense, and it just requires everything to fit together at this center, and you still kind of have a slipping grip because this is a single balloon. And so to assemble one single sword, you have to make so many assumptions for one prediction of being able to make a sword. Meanwhile, on this sword, I don't have to use more than one balloon, a singular balloon with a complete grip that stays with me practically even if I'm moving around, doesn't slip easily, kind of goes exactly around my hand, is exactly the better pick. While this might look more fun, this is more practical. And that, my friend, is what Occam's razor tells us. So what are the takeaways from this for you as a UX designer? Number 1, the best method to reduce complexity is to avoid it in the first place. Consider an element complete only when no additional simplicities can be made further. This is the simplest one balloon sword with the best grip that you'll ever find in the world of making balloons. Analyze each element and remove as many complexities as possible. So for example, this took us 2 practical balloons and this took us a third one. Occam's razor would suggest removing these complexities unnecessarily using one single balloon, and consider a website or app complete only when no additional items can be removed. This is the simplest singular complete grip, so I can do other things as well, kind of balloon sword, and this is the most efficient, most practical use case when I'm supposed to make a balloon sword. So that was Occam's razor. These are my 2 balloon swords. Now it's up to you. Which sword would you choose? Something worth mentioning definitely here is, even though this sword seems like the more practical and efficient one, this is more pretty, and the bells and whistles do remain, and they do add a certain level of user interface design. Sometimes it's really important to look at the use case as well. This is just so pretty and fun to look at, while this is the more practical, efficient use case. And at the end of the day, you have to be the one deciding whether you want to make the user experience better or make the interface shinier.